Hello, I'm Martin Fish and this is the ever popular M41C, the entry-level Cobra mower. It's a great little petrol mower, ideal for small to medium-sized lawns. It's had a bit of a revamp. It's got a brand new engine on it, and this is the DG500, which delivers 131cc, so lots of power there for giving you a really good cut to your lawn. It's also quieter, it's energy efficient, and it's easy start, so good reliable engine there. It's got a polymer deck, so it's a 16-inch or 41 centimetre. It's really strong and durable, but it also makes it lightweight, so it's an easy mower to push around the garden, great for going around corners and around beds and borders. So that's the engine there. If we look then at the deck here, the handle here lifts all four wheels in one go. When it's on the lowest, it's 25 millimeters, and when we raise it, we can take it right up to 75 millimeters. So if your lawn does get a little bit long, then you can take it high and gradually take it down by steps to the height that you want. So great feature there. Handlebars here, very easy. We've got basically the one lever here that we have to pull back before we start the mower, and that also engages the blades. And this is a push mower, so when we want to use it, we literally just push it forward. Very easy to start. What we need to do with this one is we have to use the primer here. So at the front of the engine, we've got the little red primer button, which we just depress about 3 times when the engine is cold. When it's a new mower, sometimes you might have to push it a couple of extra times just to get the fuel into the carburettor. We've got this red lever here, which we have to pull back before we can start the engine. And a little tip is always make sure that the deck is slightly raised off the lawn, because if you've got it too low, it will scalp the grass and cause harm. So pull the red lever back, pull the recoil, the engine starts, and then we just push it and mow off. And there you have it, really easy to push. It's very manoeuvrable for going around the garden, holds a lot of grass in there, so you can do a really good job of collection. So this is a great starter mower for small to medium-sized lawns. For more information on the VX range or any Cobra products, go to cobragarden.co.uk.